What's up, everybody? This is Sheila Aliens, and no, I do not whisper on purpose. Wait, that's a lie. I whisper on purpose. These are not meant to be ASMR videos. I have a baby sleeping in the vicinity and just trying to keep it on the down low a little bit while still being able to hear what she has to say when she wakes up. So, this is a very special, intimate video for all 800 people who will watch it because it is another artificial intelligence software video. This one is very cool, and I don't know why I didn't find out about it sooner because I love editing photos. I do it for fun all the time for other people, and I love AI. So I just found out about this app. I don't know how long it's been out, but it will clear up your old photos. It will unblur them with artificial intelligence. As with any AI, it's not perfect, but it's definitely damn good and it's definitely worth sharing, or else I wouldn't bother. So we're going to test it out on some of my own old family photos to see the results. And I'm not going to make you wait until the end of the video. The name of the app is Remini Photo Enhancer, which is also in the description below. Here we go. I'm going to go to my history because since I do not have a pro account, it will no longer process my pictures in a timely fashion. For the first handful of them, it went fast and perfect, but now I have to wait 24 hours, I think, to have one of them processed. So we're just going to go to my history, and that's because they want you to pay for the premium, and it's not very expensive, and I probably will end up getting some version of that soon, but for now, we'll just go to the ones I've already done. Okay, so I don't even remember whose picture this was. I don't even know who this is. I believe it's from maybe a Facebook group where they were asking us to clear it up. I had no idea about this app at the time, but so here's the original picture. And when I slide the slider, you're going to see what this app does. Rata! Kind of cool, huh? Perfect? No. Improvement? I'd say so. It's a pretty good improvement. You know, this is obviously a picture that was taken like off a TV or something weird, or some type of clear film or something was over the image. But it tried, you know, it gave her hair realness. It made her hair look real, although kind of matted, not perfect because of the lines that were going through it, the rainbow distortion. But just look at her face. I think it I mean, I don't know what she really looked like, but I think it did a pretty good job. Now the mouth ended up kind of perched open, and the AI added the very smallest hint of teeth there. Not necessary, but you could always edit that yourself afterwards in Photoshop to make it look more true to the source image as needed. But this is a great start. I mean, wow. Just look at the hair, the eyebrow details, and the skin texture and everything. I would say that's pretty damn intelligent. Let's try another one. This is a picture of me and my sister. I'm on the right, she's on the left. And if you look at it, let's take a look at it up close. Obviously, there's not a lot of great detail in the picture. Let's see what happens when we slide the slide bar on this one. Pretty creepy, huh? I mean, it's creepy, kind of like accurate. I mean, take a look how fuzzy and blurry that picture was. I mean, and the teeth, it did a good job on my little baby teeth. Like, it knows that I'm a baby. It knows to add baby weird teeth. Like, it's pretty intelligent. It kept the shape of my nose. Eyes look kind of weird in some way. My fingertips disappeared, if you noticed. But that's okay. Who needs them? My hair got detailed. Let's see how it clears up my sister's picture. I'm not sure, but I think this is when we lived in Germany. Here's my sister. Wow, right? That is freaking amazing to me. Look at the hair detail, the skin, the face, the eyelashes, everything. Her hair, like it put hair just like hers, the same color, the same style, and it looks absolutely real. It's like it's actually there. Fracking amazing. Same everything about her face is, correct, which is very strange. How cool is that? I mean, I never thought it was possible to clear up a blurry photo. This is like some CSI type of stuff right here. Enhance.
Can you enhance the image from here?
Can you enhance him right here?
Can you enhance it?
Can you enhance it?
Can we enhance this?
Or can you enhance it?
Hold on a second, I'll enhance.
Zoom in on the door.
Times 10.
Zoom. Move in. More.
Wait, stop.
Stop. Pause it.
Rotate us 75 degrees around the vertical, please.
Stop. And go back to the part about the door again.
Got an image enhancer that can bitmap?
Maybe we can use the Pradeep Sen method to see into the windows.
This software is state of the art.
The eigenvalue is off. With the right combination of algorithms.
He's taken illumination algorithms to the next level, and I can use them to enhance this photograph.
That's supposed to be a joke, but they can actually do it. This here is a very regrettable photograph of myself, my sister, and my brother. I am in the middle, just full-on 90s middle schooler. I don't think I need to explain anything else. My sister as well, looking very Lilith fair. I don't know if this was some type of horrible paperweight or something somebody made. Awful. Just awful. So, and it's not the greatest quality. I haven't seen the results of this one yet, so let's take a look. Oh my God, it's too accurate, because I know my sister's face, and I know my face, and I know my brother's face, so, I can say for sure if this thing has a level of accuracy, and I'll be damned if it does, because it does. It didn't know really what to do with this eye of hers on the right. It's not exactly perfect. I would fix her eyes in Photoshop. It's just because the original, obviously it was blurry there and stuff. It still tried its best. It still showed up. Everything else is very highly accurate. Like it gives the teeth detail. It invents details. These details aren't in the photograph that we give it. They're just not there, but it creates them. And it's been trained to do this with high accuracy to the actual picture and what was actually in the picture to begin with. Let's see. I'm just, don't say anything about it, okay? So, oh yeah, that was a big mistake sliding this over. I guess, yeah, it looked like crap at that point in my life, that's for sure. I had just gotten braces on. My mouth is hurting so bad, and you could see it's even swollen. And it would remain my misery for the next, 4 years. My eyes look brown for some reason, but whatever. My eyes are green. Maybe it's just the lighting or whatever. So that's horrific because it's very lifelike. It's very accurate. And let's see my brother's face. Yes, my friends, you can bring all your past memories back to life with horrific accuracy. You can surprise your loved ones or torment them. Or you can de-blur pictures of loved ones that have passed, and it will look like a real nice photo. Yep, that looks like my bro. That's crazy. Really good. I figured everybody could find a use for this one, Boomers, young people, old people. For a fact you have some family photos you want to clear up with some AI magic. What else do I have? So, my dad looked like Austin Powers in the 70s, okay? Let's just get that out of the way real quick. This is some chick in Panama before he met my mom. He was in the military, so this is some Panama chick who does not want his arm around her shoulder particularly, and she's obviously trying to be nice about it. So, and he hasn't seen sunlight in at least a decade, it looks like. So that's my dad in the 70s. If he watches this, he's going to be mad. did an okay job. I'd say on this one, it seems like the chick is still quite blurry. Like, I don't see an improvement on her arm. The after is more blurry to me of her arm because they just try to like smooth over the noise on her arm, like the little kind of like television snow fuzz. It smoothed all that out, but then it just looks like there's not as much detail. But whatever, it really seemed to have focused on the faces, not extensively on their body hair or anything. Yeah, and even her face is still, her face is improved as far as blurriness goes. And I bet that is accurate to the structure of her face. Let's see. I don't know who this lady is, but that's good, right? I mean, you can see the AI totally fudged up on the left of her face, but in her eyes behind the glasses are kind of creepy big, if you can see that. Yeah, but you know what? It's doing the best it can with what it was given to work with, so I think that's pretty good. At the very least, it gets it to a point you can definitely work with in Photoshop to get it to where you need it. Oh God, that's horrific. And it did a bad job here. Somehow he looks 87 here. It's okay. It's okay. You're supposed to be 30, you look 87. That's okay. It's okay. You look like Austin Powers' dad when you're 30 years old and you look like Austin Powers' granddad. That's okay. So yeah, the AI didn't do him many favors here, but the picture didn't do him any favors to begin with. Sorry, Daddy. Yeah. What a shame. But then again, you know, he's a ginger, so like there was never much hope. Moving on. I haven't checked this one yet. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, I got this on one of my dad's family members' pages or something. And I noticed it was a really tiny picture, and I wondered if it could be cleared up at all. So let's see. Nope, not really. Their faces don't exist. Yeah. It's crazy. It turned it into some type of artistic art piece. Look at their faces. Their faces look like they were painted on some type of weird style. I like that, but it's not, you know, again, look what we gave it to work with. This picture is like 140 pixels by like 140 pixels. Super tiny. The detail was never there to begin with, but I like how, you know, it tried its best anyway. Look at that. Look at what it does to that plant, though. Closest to the camera, the green leaf. It's like, bam, you want that leaf, you got it. But these people's faces are going to look creepy. But that would make a good painting right there. I like that. It looks like some disturbing 70s cult. I'm quite disturbed, but that's interesting. And you know, look at what it did to the flannel that the guys are wearing. The flannel shirts. You know, somehow their bodies and clothes look a lot better. But I am disturbed by the results. But I like it very much. And I hope they all did not drink the Kool-Aid that day. This one's funny. This is my dad. Again, my 70s dad. He was a young chap playing pool. I think he was already in the military at this point. Pretty sure. He was in the army. So, before, after. So let's look at a couple things here. Because to me, the mouth, something happened to the mouth. The AI messed it up. And it's a very strange angle. I understand. It's trying its best. Look at the original photo. Look at the eyes. And now look how good the AI is at putting real eyes there. Real eyeballs. Real matching eyeballs. With the shadows and color and everything. That's pretty damn good. The hair. Great, as always. Now, it just kind of dropped the ball on the lower half of the face. At first, I thought maybe it looked like it gave him like weird lips, like gigantic lips or something. I don't know what. It looks like a monstrosity. That's all I know. Because in the real picture, it's just my dad's. That's his chin, and that's his normal lips. You just angled down because he's playing pool. but it was like, those are huge lips, not a chin. No, that's not what it is. But that's okay, because you did good, and you tried. Look at the hair detail and the eye detail, the eyebrows, the skin texture, all of that it created and it made up. That's really neat to me. This is the coolest one I've found that I've shared with you guys, in my opinion. I love AI and I cannot lie. So I would love to keep testing out more family photos, but now I have to wait 24 hours for each photo, so frick it. And I don't care enough right now to make a new account. I just wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy it. Meow. Oh, and let me know in the comments if you used this and if it made anybody happy or surprised them or whatever. Meow.